She's not going to say, "I want you." But her questions? They whisper what her words won't dare to say. You've heard them before. Simple, casual questions. But when a woman's into you, especially a younger one, those questions aren't small talk. They're signals. Miss these 7 signs and you might miss your chance with someone who's already decided she's drawn to you. A Stoic knows true power comes not from control but from understanding. These 7 questions aren't just signs of attraction. They're opportunities to practice self-awareness. You don't need to chase women, you just need to listen. Because when a woman is drawn to you, she'll never say it, she'll show it in 7 subtle ways. This isn't about pickup lines. This is about emotional intelligence. A Stoic man reads between the lines not to manipulate, but to connect with clarity and purpose. Learn how to read the signs of attraction with emotional intelligence. These 7 questions might seem innocent, but they reveal far more than you think. If you're an older man wondering if a younger woman is interested, this breakdown will open your eyes. Watch till the end to truly understand what she's trying to tell you without saying a word. 7 hidden questions. Women ask when they're secretly attracted to you, when a woman's interested. She doesn't always say it. In the world of modern dating, especially for older men connecting with younger women, reading signs can feel confusing. Gone are the days of clear signals. Today, attraction is often hidden in plain sight, wrapped in curiosity, cloaked in questions. So how do you know when a woman is truly interested in something deeper, possibly more intimate? Simple. You listen. Not just with your ears, but with your intuition, and especially your awareness. Here are 7 subtle but powerful questions a young woman might ask when she's attracted to you, and possibly thinking about where this could go next. Do you live alone? On the surface, it sounds like a simple lifestyle question, but in reality, it's layered. She's wondering about your space, your availability, and your privacy. If she's asking this early in your connection, she may be mentally mapping out what it might feel like to be there with you, alone, uninterrupted. How you answer matters. Be relaxed. Be open. Let her know that your space is welcoming and peaceful. That's often exactly what she's hoping to hear. A Stoic man doesn't overreact. He stays centered. If she asks this, respond with calm self-respect, not arrogance. Show her that your solitude is a choice, not a burden. How many relationships have you had? Or have you dated a lot? This one's deeply revealing. She's not just being nosy. She's evaluating your experience, your emotional history, and how you handle connection. Behind the question is this silent thought. Will I feel safe opening up to you? The key here is honesty without overexposure. Share enough to show confidence and growth, but never boast or dramatize. She's not just counting your past, she's assessing your capacity for the future. Don't lie to impress. Marcus Aurelius said, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. Be honest. Be steady. Your past doesn't define you. How you carry yourself does." What kind of movies do you like? Sounds harmless, right? But think again. When she asks this outside of a direct movie night context, it's often a soft invitation. A way to see if your interests align, and maybe suggest spending time together under a blanket and a dim light. If she lights up when you mention romantic films or emotional stories, that's not by accident. She's creating common ground for closeness. Don't ignore it. Use this as a moment to show taste but also depth. A Stoic man values connection over surface-level fun. She's seeking more than genres. She's testing how emotionally present you are. What are you doing this weekend? If she's asking, she's likely not just being polite. She's checking availability, yes, but also desire. Is your schedule open to her? Do you want her in your plans? And if she's bold enough to suggest something specific? A quiet dinner, a local event, or even hanging out. That's her making the first move without actually saying so. Don't jump at every invitation. Epictetus taught, "It's not things themselves that disturb us, but our opinions about them. If you're busy, say so. If you're open, say it clearly. Respect your time. She will too. Can you help me with something at my place? This one's big. Whether it's moving furniture, fixing something, or just needing a second set of hands. This is rarely about the task. It's about trust, comfort, and shared space. When a woman invites you into her personal environment, it's an emotional green light. Use that moment wisely. Be kind, be helpful, be present, and don't rush out. Offer to stay for a drink or a casual chat afterward. It's in these unplanned extensions where connections deepen. Don't assume, serve. Stoics believe in duty without entitlement. Help, because it's kind, not because it might lead to more. That mindset? Rare and very attractive. How far is that place from where you live? It sounds like a logistics question, but it's really about possibilities. She's subtly asking, would it be easy to continue the night? If you're going to dinner or a show and she brings up the distance between your place and the venue, she may be testing the waters. A smooth response like, it's nearby, you'll have to stop by sometime, keeps the door open without pressure. She's curious, but a Stoic doesn't brag or bait. Just answer, calmly. If the moment unfolds naturally later, it does. If not, you stay grounded. Do you like physical affection, or are you a hugger? This one flies under the radar, but it's emotionally intimate. She's trying to see how open you are to touch, to closeness, to tenderness. She may be nervous about showing affection too soon, but wants to know how you'll respond. When you answer with warmth, you're letting her know, yes, you're safe here. Yes, I'm emotionally available, and yes, I'd love to connect, genuinely. This is where warmth matters. A Stoic isn't emotionally cold, he's emotionally disciplined. Yes, you like closeness, but not neediness. That balance is what separates a man of virtue from a man of impulse. These questions aren't accidents, they're quiet invitations, clues dropped in conversation. And if you're tuned in, you'll hear everything she's trying to tell you. So, the next time a woman asks something that feels a little personal, a little curious, don't brush it off. Lean in, because when you know how to listen, her words will tell you exactly what she wants. If this opened your eyes, or helped you see things differently, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you're ready to keep learning the art of connection, emotional intelligence, and understanding women on a deeper level, subscribe to Stoic Voyage and turn on notifications so you never miss a breakthrough. Now that you know these 7 subtle questions, remember, this isn't about decoding women just to get what you want. A true Stoic doesn't manipulate, he understands, because attraction isn't a game. It's a mirror, and what it reflects is who you are. So when a woman shows signs of interest, respond not with ego, but with awareness. Not with arrogance, but with presence. Epictetus taught us, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. So don't chase, don't guess. Simply observe, listen, and move with calm confidence. And if none of these questions ever come up, so be it. That too is life. You are enough as you are. You are still complete. The Stoic path is about self-mastery. When you carry virtue, respect, and clarity, the right people will feel it, including her. If this video helped sharpen your insight or shift your perspective, please give it a like. Subscribe to Stoic Voyage and turn on the bell for more grounded, intelligent content every week. And if you've seen these signs in real life or missed them, we'd love to hear your story in the comments. Here's to living with intention, reading between the lines and responding with wisdom. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay calm, stay kind, and stay stoic.